祝チャンネル登録者数2000人突破しました。皆様ありがとうございます。というわけで今後も絶景をテーマにですね、ドローンやいろんなカメラ機材を使って美しい映像を皆様にお届けできたらと思っております。今後ともよろしくお願いします。そして今日はですね、マビックミニで撮影しました長崎県佐世保市の北九十九島の夕景映像をぜひゆっくりまったり大画面で見てほしいと思っております。ぜひ最後までご覧ください。ありがとうございます。
Started slow, like a tree grows out in the open. These things don't grow over nights long and get old in the morning. Nothing more can make it speed up. Nights are long and the day's getting shorter. Hold her close, father to your daughters, 'cause all things that grow slow can go so fast. Softly the nights fade away, blend into times of midday. Seems slow but goes fast, just like an airplane. When she blows on the waves, constantly lights fade away, blend into the times of midday. Seems slow but goes fast, just like an airplane. When she blows on the waves, constantly so